Hey, what is going on, guys? This is going to go for all iPhones. You basically want to know how to turn on and off the click sound when you take a screenshot. For example, this is a iPhone SE here. When I take a screenshot, power and home button. Okay, I'm not hearing it right now. That's because my mute button is on. Let me unmute it now. And now, okay, if I turn the mute button or the ringer on silent, if I just press down that little button here on the side, now I'm not going to get it. Let's try a different phone here. For example, here's an iPhone 11 Pro here. And take a screenshot on this one. It's a little bit different though, but it's the volume up and a power button, press and hold, or just click it like that. We can hear it on. The screenshot clicking sound. If we want it off, mute button here again. Off, and now we can't hear it. You want it back on, flip the ringer back on, or basically unmute it. Now you get the sound back. Pretty simple, all iPhones. See you guys on the next one. Bye.